Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Apple Watch Series 6 with your iPhone. First, let's prepare. Make sure both your Apple Watch and iPhone have at least 50% battery life. Next, open your iPhone's control center and confirm that Bluetooth is turned on and your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Keeping both devices close will ensure a smooth and quick pairing experience, typically taking just a few minutes to initiate. Now, let's get them talking. On your iPhone, locate and open the Apple Watch application. You'll see an option to start pairing. Tap this, and then hold your iPhone's camera over the unique animated pattern displayed on your Apple Watch screen. This clever method quickly links the devices. If for any reason the automatic pairing doesn't work, simply choose Pair manually and follow the straightforward prompts to enter a 6-digit code. Once paired, it's time to personalize your watch. You'll be prompted to either restore from an existing Apple Watch backup, if you have one, or set it up as a brand new device. Next, indicate which wrist you'll be wearing your watch on, left or right, and accept the terms and conditions. You'll then create a secure 4-digit or 6-digit passcode. Finally, you can customize settings for features like activity tracking, Siri, and Apple Pay, tailoring the experience to your preferences. Almost there, your Apple Watch will now begin synchronizing all your data, apps, and settings from your iPhone. This process can take anywhere from a few minutes to about 15 minutes, depending on the amount of data. Once complete, you're ready to explore. You can customize your watch face, add useful complications, and learn basic navigation using the digital crown, the side button, and simple swipes on the display. Enjoy your connected experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.